There are 3 very important things that you may not know about having a website, which I'll cover in this video. Your domain name, your hosting account, and keeping your website up to date. A domain is your URL. For example, our domain name is websites.polarwebdesign.com.au. Your domain name will most likely be yourbusinessname.com.au. You can never own a domain name, you have to register one. It's like renting one, and if you don't pay for your rent, then you don't get to use that domain. But once you've registered your domain, you can use that as the URL or the address for your website. Once you have your domain, then you need a hosting account. Your hosting account is where you purchase a piece of a server, which is a computer that hosts all of your website files and then serves those files to the person looking at your website. If you think about renting a house, your domain name is like the house address and the rental agreement, and the hosting account is the actual house, which stores all of your own furniture and belongings, or your website files. Once you have a domain name and a hosting account, then you can display your website on the internet for all of your customers to see. And thirdly, keeping your website updated. I'm not talking about updating the design or the content of your website. These are updates that developers regularly make to the plugins and the themes that help your website function and that you need to implement onto your website. Updating your website is simple to do and it doesn't take much time. However, it needs to be done in order to maintain the security of your website. So, with those 3 things in mind, the domain, the hosting, and keeping your website updated, you have 2 options. Option 1, you can register your domain and purchase your hosting account yourself. Send us the details and we'll use that to build your website. I've left detailed information in a link below this video on how to do all of that. Plus, when you order a website with us, we'll send you detailed training videos on how to keep your website updated and secure. Doing it yourself is a very cost-effective way, but it's not very passive. So we have a second option for those of you who want a set and forget website. Option 2, you can take advantage of our hosting and maintenance package add-on, which makes it super easy for you. We'll take care of your domain registration, your website will be on our hosting server, and we'll do all of your website updates for you, as well as 24-hour security monitoring and daily website backups. There's more information on both of these options below the video. Whichever option you choose, just let us know in step 3 of our simple 3-step ordering process, and you'll be on your way to a new website.